Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you this really effective anti-dandruff hair growth oil. Yeah, let's get right into it. I hope you're all well. The first ingredient you need is peppermint essential oil. It's amazing for hair growth because it really helps to increase blood circulation, and it has antiseptic properties that helps to stop dandruff. Another one of my favorites is olive oil, which deeply moisturizes the hair and scalp, and it really helps to stop flaky scalp and heals dandruff. This is an amazing oil I love for my natural hair. So yeah, all you will need is a little bottle which you're going to store your oil in. I basically filled the bottle not all the way to the top but close to the top with olive oil, and then I added in 12 drops of peppermint essential oil. Basically that's all you've got to do. You don't need a million different oils mixed together. This is an amazing hair growth oil, hair moisturizer, and it really helps to soothe the scalp because of the cooling sensation you get from peppermint essential oil. So at this point, as you can see, I'm adding the drops of peppermint oil here. It's super simple, super easy. I use it on my scalp once and on my actual hair as well, once I have sprayed it with my leave-in spray, which I do have a recipe for on my channel. I'll leave the link to this spray in the description box below for those of you that haven't checked it out. It has some amazing ingredients in there that aids in hair growth. Do you guys think I should take out this hair? I feel like it's old enough now and it needs to go, but I got it done in Ghana, so I'm like, oh, I feel bad taking it. Well, I don't feel bad, but I feel like nobody braids hair as good as they do in Ghana, you know what I mean? So but yeah, so as you can see, I'm just parting my hair after I've sprayed it with my leave-in, and I'm just applying the oil and just massaging it into my scalp. This is really soothing, especially if your scalp is like really itchy and dry. This really helps. You can also do it as a pre-poo where you apply it to your scalp and hair for about an hour or overnight before you wash your hair, and that could also help if you don't like the oily feeling you might have if you leave it in your hair. But at the same time, because it's all natural, it does absorb into the scalp quite easily, so your hair won't be oily like forever. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, share the video, turn on your notification bell. You can further support me by going on my website at www.LusciousSkin&Hair.com. You can sign up to my mailing list, or you can purchase something from my shop. You can also follow me on Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.